The functional group is when the carbon attached with OH is further capable of attaching with two other carbons or having two spare valencies, and when you go for its general formula you have to put 2R over there, and when you go for the examples you are using a smallest R group, which is methyl group, on either side. So as you can see that this is 3 carbon is actually propyl, but when you eliminate the hydrogen from the central carbon and place any of the functional group over there, this is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol is the common name, but when you go for its IUPAC naming, the rule for IUPAC naming is that you have to select a longest chain of carbon atoms and you have to number it from that side which give lowest position to carbon on which that functional group is actually present. So as it composed of 3 carbons, so it doesn't matter that you start numbering from right side or from left side. So the suggested IUPAC name would be 2-propanol, because at carbon number 2 that function group is present. Prop is representing the presence of 3 carbon long chain and oil is representing the alcoholic group. Over here we are having another example where we come across to the 4 carbon atoms and we have to go for the numbering. When we number it, or it's compulsory that we have to number it from that side which give lowest position to that carbon which is directly attached with OH. So numbering should be started from the right side, and when we number the chain we come to know that it is 2-butanol, because at carbon number 2 OH group is present and this parent chain is of 4 carbon atoms, and as well as their common name is concerned, so this is called as secondary butyl alcohol.